Hey Blake.
What?
Do you want to try Pop Rocks for the first time?
Yes.
Okay. Stick your tongue out. Put your head back so I can dump some in your mouth.
Are you froggy? Mama! Can I have some? Can I have some?
Do you feel it popping in your mouth?
Mom, can I have some more?
Yeah, okay. Logan, sit down. You want to try Pop Rocks for the first time?
Yeah.
Put your head up. Logan.
What color are they?
Strawberry.
No, what color?
I can hear it popping. Gross. Here, Blake.
It go gone, Mama?
You guys make short work of candy, that's for sure.
Let me see. Is it all gone?
Say thank you to Auntie Lana.
Thank you.
For the candy.
Thank you for candy.
To who?
Patrick.
Not Patrick. Auntie Lana.
Thank you, Auntie Lana.
What do you say, Blake?
Thank you, Auntie Lana.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
And Chopper says, what does Chopper say? Chopper says, oh, thank you, Auntie Lana.